Today we are at Mybrand in the beautiful city of Apeldoorn, where we have one of our offices. And Mybrand is an integrated SAP services provider. We have 450 colleagues who provide those services from 3 different locations in the Netherlands. And we are part of an ecosystem called Conclusion. 27 different labels who are all a specialist in their own profession. Everybody within the company has customer satisfaction in their KPIs. By being close to our customers, understanding their business, and of course understanding the SAP products and where SAP is going. Within Conclusion, we want to provide society relevant or even society critical services. We want to help our customers in their sustainability goals. And of course, we also have our own sustainability goals. I think that SAP with the S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition gives you the solution that actually helps you do that. It's a complete solution that you can also use starting in small steps. You don't have to implement every bit of functionality from day one. We have invested heavily in the education and in the training of our consultants. We have a program that has now been running for almost 3 years called the Consultant of the Future. We need to make sure that we convince customers that the best practices that SAP provides, for instance S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition, will work for their company as well. If they have small changes towards those standard processes, creating custom code within the core is no longer the solution. The other changes that we see is that implementation projects tend to be shorter than they were. We have shorter cycles, which is better for the customer, but also more interesting for our colleagues, because they get to do more projects in the same timeline. It also changes our business model. We still have our own hosting platform, and we know that somewhere down the line that will probably disappear. We don't know when, but we've already prepared ourselves for the time that it's going to happen. S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition. It allows companies, big and small, to start with a relatively small implementation and scale up. In a couple of years' time, especially looking at the end of 2027, which is an important date in the SAP ecosystem, I expect Mybrand to be one of the leading companies within the Netherlands with regards to S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition. We're already one of the strategic partners of SAP in the Netherlands today, but I expect our role to be even bigger by then.